Section 15. First of all, learn the formula by heart. To calculate the volume, multiply the length by the width by the depth. Tiny cracks were found in the bottom of the barrel. This chapter will focus on the concepts of geometry. Phil is much more interested in academic subjects than in practical skills.
Something's gone wrong with this microscope. I need to have it repaired.
Let me see it. Maybe I can fix it.
What is an instrument?
For instance, a gauge, such as a thermometer or a barometer. The minute particles are barely visible to the naked eye. Muscle tissue consists of a vast number of cells. This substance is mostly composed of hydrogen and oxygen. The exact temperature is 22.68 degrees Celsius.